Hi friends, welcome to ZeroSac Network's private limited learning center. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to add promotional coupon in AdWords account. Google sometimes distribute promotional codes for AdWords advertising. These special offers can be used to redeem credit that gets applied to your AdWords account. So let's get started. Before you begin, you will need to enter a billing and payment method and add some amount in Google AdWords account, if you are on manual payment setting. If you'd like to use monthly be sure to set up that setting before entering your code. Otherwise, your offer will be invalidated and the amount lost when you switch to invoicing. Now let's go to add promotional code. First of all, log in to AdWords account using your credentials. Now click the tool icon in the upper right corner. You will find billing and payments under the setup header. Now you are in billing and payment screen. Now click to settings tab in payment and billing screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, then click Manage Promotional Codes. Under Add a promotional code. Enter your promotional code. And click Save. To check promo code progress and earning of credit, you need to visit the promotional code management page in your account. It's updated every few hours. You'll be able to quickly check your progress and the status of any credit, and see your completed or expired promotions. That's it for today, thanks for watching. In the next section we are going to learn about AdWords search campaigns. Till then, be happy and safe. If you have any doubt and queries, please post your comment. We will definitely solve your queries through special AdWords video series. Please share and subscribe our channel to support our work.